taking the thumb star out. Session number 2, we're going to learn how to wheelie together. I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just learning this stuff the same way you are. Watching a bunch of YouTube videos and then going out and doing it. Taking action is the important part. You're never going to learn this crap sitting on your ass watching TV, watching YouTube. So let's take it out and let's go for round 2. I'll try and talk more, say what I'm doing. I'm going to first go out again with both my feet down and practice popping it up to get a feel for it again. And then I'm going to working that foot brake. Trying to get used to that. Staying on the foot brake.
In our video?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Do you want me to film?
Yeah.
Oh! And go.
Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Try and get used to the... Actually, I'm just going to go... Yeah, alright. I'm getting used to that engine RPM too. Getting that at the right spot to pop the clutch. That was like step 1, it seemed like, and then holding both feet down. Having both feet down, not even being on the foot brake, seemed to be like step 2, helping me get a feel for how far back I was. Doing all this from a stop, not rolling and doing it. And then I started going to the foot brake to try and learn control. So let's just I'll go through all 3 of those steps just so I get used to it again, and then we'll go from there. Just trying to get the revs right. With both feet down here. It's controlling it a little bit with the throttle. I need to control it with the foot brake though. Need to control it with the foot brake. I'm just getting a feel for it again. Just gotta get a feel for it. Not enough, not enough. Not enough. It was almost enough. Alright, now I'll start working the foot brake. I got a better feel for it now. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. I got the RPMs where I wanted. I'm still dragging this foot, first gear, popping it up, trying to use that foot brake to bring it back down. I was using it there. Using it there, right when it gets up too high. Feel your weight shift back. Hammered it down, stepped on it too hard that time. Oh, again, I forgot the foot brake that time when I came back.
Guys, don't forget to do the foot brake.
Foot brake, it's got to like ingrained in. I'm gonna be pressing on it. That's what I've been doing. This foot brake is all messed. It was bent in even more than this. I bent it out, but it's like I'm right up against the engine to use the damn thing. I'm gonna try dragging it. Brake, 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 brake. Just used it a little bit there. Brake, 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 brake. Brake, 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 brake. They're running it out there. Okay, rev it up, foot brake. That's all I'm doing is trying to learn this foot brake today. Getting a sound for how high to rev it. Brake, 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 brake. I used the clutch to bring it down. I need to use the brake. Brake. Brake, 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 brake. I should probably be pointing this down a little bit. There we go. Brake, 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 brake. Okay. Brake. Still not thinking to use the brake when I'm up in the frickin' air. Excuse me. Brake, 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 brake. Drag it. Okay, bye. See ya. I'll be awesome without you.
Okay guys, my part here is done. I am done filming. I'm doing wheelies.
I'll start to fall back too far. Alright, here we go. Brake, 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 brake. Brake, brake, brake.
We're back in business.
Starting to feel it. Just trying that foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. I keep wanting to throttle to keep it going or clutch to bring it down. I need the foot brake to bring it down. Do it again. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Alright, foot brake that time. Alright, used the foot brake to bring it back down that time. That's good. Normally I would have just stopped it, hit the clutch and jumped off. That's good. I used the foot brake that time. Alright. Foot brake to bring it down. Good. Foot braking to bring it down. Starting to get this. Foot brake to bring it down. Foot brake to bring it down. Good job, good job. Good job, man. Alright. Foot brake to bring it down. Foot brakes. Good job. Man, I gotta definitely change this pedal. I'm like jamming my foot, like up against the engine and up against the freaking kickstart. Definitely gotta pull that. I gotta pull that brake pedal out more. Foot brake that time. Starting to remember. Oh! Yeah. Slid off. Foot brake. Foot brake, foot brake, foot brake. Alright. Freaking arm is killing me again. I'm starting to get the foot brake though. Starting to remember. I'm starting to actually get it. That's good. Building that muscle memory. I'm going to bend that freaking... bend this brake pedal out more for sure. Man, that really freaking... My foot is like jammed in here just to get onto it. I got big ass feet too, wide ones. So, whatever. Session number 2, we're getting better, guys. Starting to feel a lot more comfortable, a lot more natural. But, whatever. Wait till we get out for session number 3. See if I get any better. See if I can actually hold it up for a little bit longer. It's working out pretty good. I'm actually kind of surprised. I figured it'd be a lot harder than this, but you got to get out there and freaking do stuff. Not sit on your butt, watch videos all day. Yeah, that's good. You want to watch all my videos all day? That's fine. Get me that view time. Right on. That's it for the Thumbs Star. That was episode 2. Stay tuned for number 3. See how long this takes me to get this. I'm a freaking old man, guys. If I can do this, you can do this. You just got to get out and do it. See you on the next ride. Bye.
Hey, Dad.